Picture a long, narrow strip of land, squeezed between towering mountains and the endless Pacific. A place where the horizon seems to stretch forever, and the land itself feels like it was shaped by a dream. This is Chile, a country where deserts, forests, glaciers, and volcanoes collide in a wild, ever-changing landscape, each region more surprising than the last. One moment, you're in a desert as dry as Mars, where the sun blazes overhead and the earth cracks beneath your feet. The next, you're wandering through lush, mossy forests, where every step is cushioned by green and the air is thick with the scent of life. Chile is a masterpiece of geography, a place where nature's imagination has run wild, painting the land with colors and textures you never thought possible. From the sun-baked north to the icy south, every mile brings a new world, each with its own story and spirit. You could start your day in the driest desert on Earth, where the sky glows pink at sunrise and silence stretches for miles, and end it watching penguins on a frosty shore, the wind carrying the chill of Antarctica as the sun dips below the horizon. The Andes rise like powdered sugar peaks, making you feel small and awestruck, their presence a constant reminder of nature's power and beauty. Cities burst with color, forests drip with green, and the air changes from region to region, carrying hints of salt, earth, and rain. Chile is a sensory adventure, one you don't just see, but feel, taste, and breathe in with every moment. The soil is red clay, the forests velvety green, the cities a jumble of painted houses, each detail adding to the country's vibrant patchwork. It's a place where the light shifts, and the air smells different with every step, where every sense is awakened by the land's diversity. This is a land sculpted from pure imagination, a living canvas of wonders ready for you to explore. Step in and let the adventure begin. Chile is waiting to surprise you at every turn. Our journey begins in the Atacama Desert, a place where the earth feels ancient and the horizon stretches endlessly in every direction. This is a land so dry and alien it could be another planet, a world sculpted by time and wind, untouched by rain for years on end. The ground crunches underfoot, brittle and sun-baked, while wind-carved rocks rise like giant mushrooms and sleeping beasts, their shapes telling silent stories of ages past. In the Valley of the Moon, dunes and salt caves glow orange and pink at sunset, painting the sky in surreal colors that seem almost otherworldly. Silence reigns here, so complete that even the gentle whisper of wind feels like a secret being shared with the stones. But as night falls, the Atacama reveals its true magic, transforming from a world of stone to a realm of stars. With no city lights for hundreds of miles, the stars blaze brighter than anywhere else on Earth, turning the sky into a living tapestry of light. The Milky Way stretches overhead, a river of diamonds in the sky, so vivid you feel you could reach up and gather the stars in your hands. It's a stargazer's paradise, where the universe feels close enough to touch, and every night brings a new sense of wonder. After rare rains, the desert bursts into a riot of wildflowers, a miracle called Desierto Florido, when life suddenly awakens from the dust. For a brief moment, the barren land transforms into a living tapestry of color, as if the desert itself is celebrating its hidden vitality. The Atacama is a place of extremes, stone and stars, silence and sudden life, where contrasts create a beauty found nowhere else. Here, beauty hides in the harshest places, waiting patiently for those who look closely enough to find it. It's a reminder that wonder can bloom anywhere, even in the most unlikely corners of the world. The desert is alive with secrets, its mysteries waiting for you to discover them, if only you dare to explore. Leaving the vast, sun-baked desert behind, we journey into the vibrant heart of Chile, its bustling, colorful cities where life pulses with energy and creativity. Santiago, the lively capital, sits nestled in a broad valley beneath the towering Andes, seamlessly blending sleek modern skyscrapers with leafy green parks and winding historic streets that tell stories of the past. It's a city where old and new coexist, mixing together like pieces in a model set, creating a unique patchwork of architecture and culture. Not far away, the port city of Valparaiso tumbles down steep, dramatic hills to the sparkling sea, its houses painted every color imaginable, creating a living rainbow on the cliffs. Winding staircases and quirky vintage funiculars connect a maze of narrow alleys, each corner bursting with vibrant street art and unexpected surprises. The city feels alive with creativity. Every wall becomes a canvas, every building tells a story, and every street is an open invitation to explore. In Valparaiso, you can lose yourself among dazzling murals, discover hidden cafes tucked into hillsides, and gaze out at sweeping ocean views that stretch to the horizon. Both cities pulse with music, delicious food, and the energy of people shaping their world. Festivals, laughter, and the rhythms of daily life fill the air. They are the beating heart of Chile, a joyful celebration of culture, color, and community, where every day brings new connections and shared experiences. Here, the human spirit is as vivid and expressive as the landscape itself, shining brightly in every corner of these remarkable cities. Stretching the length of Chile, the Andes form a colossal spine of rock and ice. These mountains are more than a backdrop. They shape the land and the lives of everyone here. In winter, their snowy peaks draw skiers. In summer, meltwater feeds rivers and valleys below. Condors soar above, kings of the sky, while hikers and riders explore turquoise lakes and hidden trails. The air is crisp, the scale immense, and the sense of awe overwhelming. The Andes are a playground for adventure and a symbol of Chile's resilient spirit. Here, nature's power is on full display, timeless, wild, and majestic. Local cowboys, or arrieros, share stories of ancient spirits and secret valleys. The mountains are a living sculpture, ever changing with the seasons. In their shadow, you feel the heartbeat of Chile's wild soul. Off Chile's southern coast lies Chiloé Island, a land of mist, myth, and magic. Rolling green hills, dense forests, and colorful fishing villages create a fairy tale setting. Chiloé's wooden churches, built like upside-down boats, stand bright against the landscape, a UNESCO treasure. Legends thrive here. The Trauco, a mischievous forest gnome, the Pincoya, a mermaid who dances for the sea's bounty, and the ghostly Caluche ship. Myths are woven into daily life, whispered on rainy nights. Palafitos, houses on stilts, line the waterfront, their reflections shimmering in the tide. Local feasts like Curanto bring the community together, blending land and sea. On Chiloé, reality and legend are inseparable. It's a place where stories come alive. Deep in Patagonia, hidden on General Carrera Lake, lie the marble caves, nature's secret masterpiece. Glacial waters have sculpted marble into swirling blue and white cathedrals. Sunlight dances on turquoise water, casting magical patterns on the cave walls. Exploring by boat, you glide through tunnels and silent chambers, touching smooth, ancient stone. The world outside disappears. Only beauty and wonder remain. The marble caves are a quiet reminder of nature's artistry, millions of years in the making. Here, the wild is intimate and breathtaking. It's a secret worth the journey. Our journey ends, but Chile's story is just beginning. From deserts to glaciers, cities to islands, this country is a patchwork of worlds waiting to be explored. Chile invites you to wander, to get lost, to discover your own adventure. Whether stargazing in the Atacama or sharing a meal on Kilo, you'll find wonder at every turn. It's a land of grand landscapes and tiny details, of warm people and magical stories. Come see this claymation wonderland for yourself. Let Chile's colors, legends, and wild beauty capture your imagination. The adventure is yours. Step into the frame.